So I'm here hanging out on Kattis today, and I thought I'd give a quick demo for those of you who are in the CS 151 class. It's kind of a cool problem archive of different types of programming problems, and what you can do is you can log in, and you can basically do it with several different types of account. I have mine associated with my personal Google account, my old Gmail account. So I click log in, and you can see all the different Gmails pop up. My alter ego is obviously Francis there, but I can log in as myself, and you can see it'll give me my dashboard and let you see how well I've done on some different types of problems. The 3-digit one is definitely a harder problem, and sometimes I don't get them the first time. In fact, there's a lot of different red there, some orange for tentatively accepted. Sometimes I get them pretty easily, but sometimes they give me a little bit of problems to get the right output. What you can do is you can associate yourself with a country, a state, and with a university. I like University of Hawaii at Hilo, and here we can see that John and Mark are definitely the tops at Hilo, but a lot of different people have registered with us over the years and completed problems. So, hopefully that's something you can do and complete some of the problems, and hopefully you can top my score. I'm definitely not the best coder that's ever come down the pike, but I'm pretty okay. The most interesting part of this is the problems, and you can sort the problems in a number of different ways. I recommend sorting based on difficulty, and the difficulty, they range from 1 to 9. I find that 1 are doable by first-year students, 2 are doable by second-year students, 3 upper division, 4 is also upper division, and anything beyond that just pretty much insane. You can also indicate which ones you've solved, which ones you've tried and failed on, and which ones are untried. So I'll take a look at one that I know that I'll be able to knock off today as a demo. So here's Hello World. There's no input for this problem. The output should contain one line with the string hello world. And what I can do is I can do a submit. And I can either drag or drop a file, or I can switch to the editor. Since we're doing CS 151, we're probably going to use C++, but there's a heck of a lot of languages that you can practice with. And, Kattis is great that way for improving your programming skill with several different languages. If you want a nice functional language, Haskell or F# are pretty cool. You want to do web type things, JavaScript, Objective-C for, mobile programming, Python 2 and 3 for AI type stuff, but let's just stick to C++. So basically this one needs to include IO stream using namespace standard main, and code is going to be hello world with an exclamation mark. And usually they like an inline at the end of this, and I'm going to return 0. And you can see that their little editor actually highlights keywords blue, and strings get highlighted as green. And then after I'm done, I can hit submit. And hopefully that was what they wanted. It'll give me an ID for the submission. There's one test case, and voila, it switches to accepted. And I would get the 1.1 points, except I've already gotten the 1.1 points. So, again, you can go back to the problems. You can look at rank lists, different contests that are going on, and different jobs that are available. So sometimes companies will post jobs here. And again, the 1 point problems are kind of the ones we'll be focusing on, although I may pick out a 2 point problem every now and then. Anything that's in that 8 or 9 range is just absolutely insane. And I'll let you guys, if somebody knocks off an 8 or 9 point problem, definitely be extra credit and tell me how you did it. So anyway, thanks for watching.